हेलो फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपने रिसेंटली डेटा एनालिटिक्स डोमेन से रिलेटेड कोई सर्टिफिकेशन या डिग्री कोर्स कंप्लीट किया है और आप एक्टिवली फ्रेशर या इंटर्नशिप अपॉर्चुनिटी सर्च कर रहे हैं, तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए है। बिकॉज आज की इस वीडियो में हम रिव्यू करेंगे कुछ जॉब्स रिलेटेड टू डेटा एनालिटिक्स डोमेन। तो मैं आज की वीडियो में लेकर आया हूँ जुलाई 2025 के लेटेस्ट डेटा एनालिस्ट फ्रेशर जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज़, जिनमें आप अगर फ्रेशर हैं यानी आपके पास 0 to 1 ईयर का एक्सपीरियंस है तो आप अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। और कुछ रोल्स ऐसे भी हैं जो कि रिमोट हैं और कुछ में जस्ट बेसिक टूल्स नॉलेज की रिक्वायरमेंट है, लाइक बेसिक सीक्वल और बेसिक एक्सेल और पाइथन, राइट। तो जो भी जॉब्स हम रिव्यू करेंगे उन सभी जॉब्स के एप्लीकेशन लिंक्स आपको मैं प्रोवाइड कर दूंगा डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में। साथ में रिक्वायर्ड स्किल्स, क्या लोकेशन है इनकी और कैसे आप इन जॉब्स के लिए अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। और अगर आप चाहते हैं आपको डेली बेसिस पे रेगुलर ऐसे जॉब अपडेट्स मिलते रहे हैं रिलेटेड टू डेटा साइंस, डेटा एनालिटिक्स, पावर बीआई, सीक्वल और पाइथन डेवलपर रोल, देन डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल राइट नाउ। यू कैन ऑल्सो फॉलो माई इंस्टाग्राम पेज एंड माई फेसबुक पेज एज वेल, जहाँ पे आपको डेली बेसिस पे इन डोमेन से रिलेटेड जॉब अपडेट्स, इंटरव्यू टिप्स और करियर डेवलपमेंट टिप्स पे मिलते रहते हैं। और मेक श्योर जब आप ये चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें, यू हिट द बेल आइकन एंड क्लिक ऑन ऑल सो दैट यू कैन रिसीव ऑल जॉब नोटिफिकेशंस व्हेनेवर आई एम पब्लिशिंग अ न्यू वीडियो ऑन दिस यूट्यूब प्लेटफॉर्म। और इस वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर जरूर करें, क्योंकि जब आप ये चैनल सब्सक्राइब करते हैं you'll get regular job updates related to these domains. You'll also learn how to improve your skills and stand out in interviews, and you'll stay motivated with career advice and guidance. So do not miss out and hit the subscribe button right now. इस चैनल से रिलेटेड या इस वीडियो से रिलेटेड कोई आपका क्वेश्चन है, कोई सजेशन है, यू कैन रीच मी आउट टू माई मेल ID callcentertalks26@gmail.com, या फिर आप मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे भी डायरेक्ट मैसेज कर सकते हैं एंड आई विल ट्राई टू गेट बैक टू यू एज सुन एज पॉसिबल। चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज का वीडियो। और जो भी जॉब्स हम रिव्यू करेंगे उन सभी जॉब्स के एप्लीकेशन लिंक्स आपको मिल जाएंगे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में। First company on the list is EY, hiring for data analyst associate. Location would be Bengaluru. Experience 0 to 1 year. Salary would be best in the industry. Key roles and responsibilities. We are looking for an associate analyst who shall be responsible for timely execution of compliance testing processes, including conducting research and analysis. Use analytical and project management methodologies and tools to deliver on core KPIs. As you grow in the process, take initiatives to bring in process efficiencies, participate in team meetings, and bring in ideas for improvement as and when needed, and manage process deadlines and avoid client escalations by delivering quality on time. Skills and qualification. If you have completed a bachelor's or master's degree in quantitative field like computer science, statistics, mathematics, data science, you can apply for this job post. You need to have at least one, or if you're a fresher, you can also apply for this job post. Critical thinking skills with the ability to independently solve problem with data, and experience or knowledge in MS Office suites like Microsoft 365, Excel, PowerPoint. And if you have knowledge of SQL, that's nice to have. And this is the link you can apply for this job post. Next company on the list is Mastercard, hiring for data analyst associate, location Gurgaon, salary competitive, experience 0 to 1 year. Key roles and responsibilities. Serve as the directly responsible individual for major sections of the platform logical conceptual data model. Define data mappings, data dictionaries, data quality and UAT documentation. Maintain the data catalog, a scalable resource to support self-service and single source of truth analytics. Also effectively use tools to manipulate large-scale databases, synthesizing data insights, and implement the data ops philosophy in everything you do. Educational qualification: tech coding, graduate or postgraduate in data science, undergraduate understanding of data architecture, and some experience in building logical conceptual data models for creating data mapping documentations. If you have advanced SQL skills, you can apply for this job post. Exposure to Python, Scala, Spark, Cloud, and other related technologies would be a plus. And if you have prior working experience in BI tools like Tableau, Domo, or Power BI, that would be a plus. And this is the link to apply for this job opportunity. Next company on the list is Tagbox, hiring for data analyst freshers, and this role is basically for candidates who are looking for internship opportunity. Key roles and responsibilities: assist in data collecting, cleaning, and pre-processing from various sources. Perform exploratory data analysis to identify trends and patterns. Collaborate with team members to support data-driven decision-making processes. Document methodologies and process for data analysis. If I talk about skills and qualification, if you are currently pursuing or recently completed a degree in data science, statistics, computer science, mathematics, or related field, you can apply for the job post. Desired skills: proficiency in Excel and familiarity with SQL for data querying, experience with data visualization tools, Tableau, Power BI, or similar. Excellent communication and teamwork abilities, willingness to work for 6 months on a full-time basis. And this is the link to apply for this. On the list is Acuity, hiring for data analyst for Gurgaon location, experience 0 to 3 years, salary would be attractive. Key roles and responsibilities: data cleaning and onboarding the data sets, understanding the data sets and gathering insights from the data, develop validation checks to ensure the data quality, creating meaningful data products and reports from data sets, engage with technical and non-technical clients as SME on data asset offerings. Educational qualification: if you have done MBA in finance or MCA, BE, BTech or related field, you are eligible for this job post. Technical skills: 0 to 3 years of experience with data cleansing, collation, and reconciliation. Hands-on experience with advanced Excel or SQL, exposure to Python and SQL. And if you have prior working experience with financial and or alternative data products, that's nice to have. And if you're interested for this job role, you can click on this link and you can apply for this job post. Next company on the list is Havells, hiring for data analysts for Noida location, experienced freshers, and a salary up to 4 lakhs per annum estimated. Key roles and responsibilities: having knowledge of advanced Excel, VBA, Power BI, and other dashboard visualizations, tool set for data intelligence and analysis, handle all the region-wise report versus a territory with business performance reports, prepare presentation to performance report for higher management presentation, monthly, quarterly, half yearly, annual sales product reporting, and visualization of sales analysis, prepare dashboards, depot wise target versus actual sale. So this role is basically to create presentations for stakeholders and upper management and to prepare reports ad hoc or real-time reports. Skill set qualification: if you have recently completed a degree in data science or analytics, you can apply for the job post. At least 6 months of experience preferred, but if you are a fresher, you can also apply for the job post. Intermediate data analytics, SQL, and web query skills, knowledge of Python and R. And this is the link to apply for this job opportunity. Next company on the list is NCR Alteos, hiring for data analyst, location Mumbai and Gurgaon, salary 2 to 4 lakhs per annum estimated, experience 1 to 3 years. Key roles and responsibilities: data analysis, gather, clean, and analyze large data sets from various sources to extract meaningful insights and trends. Data modeling, create data models and relationships within Power BI to ensure accurate representation of data and enable efficient analysis. Performance monitoring, monitoring KPIs and metrics to track business performance and identify areas of improvement. Skills and qualification: a bachelor's degree in computer science, data science, information system or related field. Desired skills: advanced proficiency in Microsoft Excel, like formulas, pivot tables, lookups, charts, or macros. Relevant certifications in Power BI, ServiceNow, or Analytics, and SQL knowledge would be a plus. And this is the link to apply for this job opportunity. Next company on the list is Computacenter, hiring for data analyst freshers for Bangalore location, experienced freshers. Salary would be 3 to 6 lakhs per annum estimated. Key roles and responsibilities: collecting data from various sources and streamlining data collection methods to create automated and easy to use routines, designing databases and data systems, analyzing collected data and putting it into a format that others can easily interpret, also preparing reports for organizational leadership to use in a business setting, and collaborate with other employee departments, including engineers and programmers. If you have done a bachelor's degree in computer science, data science, information system or related field, you are eligible for this job post. And if I talk about technical skills, you should be proficient in data analysis tools like Power BI, SQL, Python, or statistical analysis, ability to interpret data, identify patterns, and draw conclusions, and ability to identify and solve business problems using data analysis. And this is the link to apply for this job opportunity. Next company on the list is Johnson Controls, hiring for data analyst, experience 1 to 3 years, location Pune, salary 3 to 6 lakhs per annum estimated. So if you're looking job in Pune location, you can review this job opportunity. Conduct data quality assessment to identify discrepancies and anomalies in the data sets. Develop and implement data quality metrics and reporting mechanism. Also collaborate with data owners to define data quality standards and best practices. Perform root cause analysis on data quality issues and recommend corrective actions. And provide training and support to teams on data quality issues and tools. Educational qualification: bachelor's degree in computer science, data science, information system, statistics, or related field. Desired skills: 1 to 3 years of experience in data quality, proficiency in SQL and data visualization tools, ability to work in a fast-paced environment and manage multiple priorities and projects. And if you are interested for this job opportunity, you have required experience of 1 to 2 years, then you can apply for this job post by clicking on this link. And this link you'll be getting in the description box of this video. So friends, these were a few job opportunities for the role of data analyst for freshers. Let me know your feedback in the comment section, and do not forget to press the like and share button for this video. Thank you very much for watching the video. Have a great rest of your day.